I'm gonna show you guys the Black Widow punch plate trifold ramp from Discount Ramps. I used this once before for putting our golf cart in our old truck, but never took a video. Pretty easy to figure out. You're gonna put the ramp up to the tailgate like that. Make sure you get your strap secure. And this is a 6.5 foot bed truck. So I know I'm already gonna have a problem with the tailgate not being able to go up when we're hooked, actually when we have the golf cart in. So I'm not too concerned with that right now. I just wanna see what it takes to get it in there, and if I still need to use 2 blocks to get it high enough to maybe close the tailgate halfway. That ramp is 7'9" total length, and it is not arc. It doesn't have an arc to it. It's just a straight ramp. The few times that I've used it, you can kind of see that the punch plate is got a little dip in it, just on the outside edge ramp sections. So we'll be putting that up there. That's got a 3-inch lift. This ramp does not work with a stock height golf cart with a rear step. I don't know if it would fit without the rear step on it, but this should go no problem. After I get the front of the cart lined up where I think it should go, I come out and check it. Looks like we have at least 2 inches on each side, so it ain't much to work with. Let's get you here. And hopefully we don't break anything. It will not climb the ramp if I just get the back wheels to it. To get a little bit of speed. Not as smooth as I wanted. I probably did the worst thing you can when loading something with a ramp, is stop halfway up this transition here with your drive tires still on the ramp. Because usually what happens is when you hit the gas, it kicks the ramp out from underneath the tires and it slides out, and then golf carts and people hit the ground. So it's up there. I didn't want to ram it all the way forward because I know it hits this roll-up tonneau cover, and if that's rubbing on there, it's barely touching it right now, not really, but if it's rubbing on there for an hour and a half going to a campground, it's definitely going to wear a hole in that cover. There is no option to put the tailgate up. I know that I cannot drive our camper with the tailgate down. It will hit the electric jack on the front of the camper. But if I'm just taking the golf cart somewhere, it'll fit in there. I will need to put these blocks under these wheels, because when you fold up this ramp, and it's, let's see what the thickness is this 1.5 inches or 2? I think it's a little more than 1.5 inches. But once you stack this 3 times, when that's folded up, the height of that does not fit underneath here. So if I want to take the ramp with, I'll have to stick it under the cart. If you have an 8-foot bed, I know that you can put the 2 blocks with a 3-inch lift. You can put another 3 inches of block under the tires, 12-inch wheels, and a 215/50/12 tire. And the top of the tailgate will just be resting under here. But that ramp works really nice. It's kind of heavy and cumbersome a little bit just because it is a full-length ramp, but I feel like it's probably one of the safest ones. So that's all. Let's make one more video. You should probably put a wheel chock by your wheels, by your tires, because that's probably not very good on the transmission either, having the weight of that golf cart shake the whole truck back and forth. So keep that in mind. Pretty smooth. I didn't fall off. If you don't get the ramp straight, then it definitely veers off course a little bit. The ramp will dig into, see the strap kind of moved, the gap kind of opened up, but the ramp will dig into your tailgate cap whenever you use it. So I don't know if you want to add another protector on here. That aluminum's kind of sharp. And I think I mentioned before, it's a 6.5-foot bed. So I can only dream of hauling that and the camper in one shot. Thank you for watching. I will put a link below for this ramp, and you can check it out if you want.